Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired, and today's video is about a really budget segment smartphone, which is the all new Xolo Era 4X. Right now we have the 2GB variant. There's also 1GB variant which is available. So in this video we'll see a quick unboxing and the first look of Xolo Era 4X. Friends, this is the all newly launched Xolo Era 4X 2GB model, and this is how the packaging looks like. Really nice and sturdy packaging. So here the price mentioned is 7199, but when I'll tell you the actual price you will be totally stunned, because the kind of specs it has, it really justifies the price it comes with. So this is how we open it. Okay, so on the top we have this handset. This is only the body, so it is very light, because if I open this box I get to see the detachable battery. Yes guys, so this phone comes with a detachable battery which I have to put in inside the body. And then a good thing is you also get a protective case, because in such a price range you generally don't get this one, but here you have, and also the screen guard. What else do you have in the box is a charging adapter. This is the normal output of the charger is 5 volt 1500 milliampere charger, and a micro USB charging cable here. So friends, let's quickly come to the phone, and as it is a detachable battery, so let's just install the battery at the back. So as we've opened this cover, let's see what all SIM tray slots we get. We get SIM tray 1, 2, and the third one is for the SD card. So that's good that you can put 2 SIMs and a SD card. So the good thing about the phone is that after installing the battery also, phone is super feather light in the hand. And at the back you get this plastic body. In this price range you get all the phones in plastic body only, so not a problem, but the finish is super good, nice and shiny metallic finish. In the middle you get this Xolo tagging, and here are this stylish speaker grills, and the back camera and LED flash here, power button and the volume rocker on this side, and mouthpiece, and this micro USB charging port there. In this particular side we have nothing. Top we have this 3.5mm audio jack. Coming to the front portion, yes guys, the top and the bottom bezels are quite thick, because nowadays we are very much used to seeing the very slim bezels and all, but the side bezels are quite slim. On the top you get this earpiece and front flash, front camera and sensors, because you have face unlock as well. So let's just quickly set up the phone. The phone is ready to go. I would like to tell you that it has this 2.5D curved glass design and the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. Yes guys, that's a very good thing that Xolo has kept this in mind, that they should give a Corning Gorilla Glass protection. So they have skipped this fingerprint unlock, and they've given the face unlock this time. Talking about the screen, the colors look really vibrant and nice and sharp. So the screen is a 5.45 inches HD plus IPS display. The touch response is pretty okay. Viewing angle is also fine. Okay, so here you have the Android 8.1 version and Star OS 5.0. Talking about the battery, you get a decent 3000 mAh of battery, which will last easily for a full day. And the storage part here, this model which I am reviewing is a 2GB plus 16GB variant, which is expandable till 128GB. But there is also one more variant of 1 GB which is available, and the price for that is super good. So you can also go for that one if you don't have any storage issues. So when we come to the camera section, the camera specs are 8 megapixel at the back and 5 megapixel front camera. So that is a very good thing, that at least there is a 5 megapixel camera. And then this is the flash, HDR, normal, touch, smile gesture, okay. And this is the front camera. Here you have options like video, photo, beauty. Okay, in this also you get this a beauty section, and you will you can set the beauty level. And then you have this a funny cam section. I tried it. I'll show you the front camera. So when you turn on the beauty part, there is one more option which is added here, which is portrait. Yes guys, you can take portrait shots also with this phone. Coming to the front camera part, this is how it looks like. 5 megapixel front camera. So when you turn on the beauty, this is the portrait. You can click bokeh shots from here. And I want to show you this funny cam. This is how it looks like. Very nice and cute emoticons. Okay. And there are many options. So I just tried clicking some of the pictures right now. So this is how the pictures turned out to be. A selfie for like using the emoticons. This you can see that I've used this portrait option to blur it out, the bokeh effect. This is the non-bokeh one. This is the simple one, like this was with beauty and this was the normal picture. The colors details are pretty okay. The picture does not blur out much. This is in the bright sunlight, and the details captured here are also fine. Like these are the minute details. Overall, if you talk to me about this phone, it is a really nice buy according to the price it is being launched. So friends, this was a quick look of the all new Xolo Era 4X. There's a 1 GB model also available, which you can buy for just rupees 4,444. Yes guys, a good touchpad phone for 4,444. And the 2 GB variant is for 5,555 rupees. It is already started, the sale has already started on Amazon, so you can go and check out. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Nothing wired.